So we'll begin with some practice with multiplying 2-digit by 1-digit. Let's start with a simple problem. Let's start with 11 times 6. So we break that up into 10 plus 1 times 6. So we'll say, using the distributive property, 10 times 6 plus 1 times 6, which equals 60, plus 6 equals 66. Okay? So let's just practice that method, and we'll get into more complicated ones in a minute. Okay, so what if we had 13 times 3? So we're going to break that up into 10 plus 3 times 3. So it'll be 10 times 3 plus 3 times 3, which equals 30, plus 9 equals 39. Okay, so now let's try some where we have a one-digit exchange. So we have 12 times 6, and that's equal to 10 times 6 plus 2 times 6, which equals 60 plus 12, and you can split that up if you want into 60 plus 10, which is 70 plus 2. So 70 plus 2 equals 72. Let's try another one related to that, 13 times 6. So do the same thing. We'll break it up into 10 plus 3 times 6, 10 times 6 plus 3 times 6 equals 60, plus, if you want to split up, plus 10, 70 plus 8 equals 78. Okay, then continuing on, let's try it with one that involves a little bit more exchanging. So let's try perhaps 13 times 7. So that'll equal 10 plus 3 times 7, which equals 7 times 10 plus 7 times 3 equals 70, plus 21 equals 91. So let's practice some more. So we say 11 times 3 is 10 plus 1 times 3, 10 times 3 plus 1 times 3, 30 plus 3, 33. 12 times 3 is 10 plus 2 times 3, 10 times 3 plus 2 times 3, 30 plus 6 equals 36. So after you've done that for a while, you can leave out writing that first step or saying the first step. So you'll say 13 times 3 is 10 times 3 plus 3 times 3, 30 plus 9, 39. 11 times 5, well, that's 10 times 5. It's 50 plus 1 times 5 is 5. 50 plus 5 is 55. Of course, the problems sometimes require an exchange. So we say 12 times 5. Well, that's 10 times 5, 50. 2 times 5, 10. 50 plus 10 is 60. What if we take one down here? 14 times 6. So 10 times 6 is 60, and 4 times 6 is 24. 60 and 24 are 84.